Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. I am Zakira Banu Vartak and I am 20 years old. I will be 20 on 6th July. Okay, so that was a little intro about me and please welcome me as a medical student. Okay, so welcome to my 11th video. I am really happy to share my journey to med school with all of you guys. I hope कि किसी की भी अगर help हो सकती है इस वीडियो से, I will be really happy. Okay, so I did my high school from Faisalabad and now I am currently in Lahore. And the decision I made was because of a lot of factors. I decided Lahore. It was like that when I was in A levels. I was unsure कि मुझे क्या करना है. Like I wasn't planning to go to the medicine at all. Not in the second thought कि मेरे पास था कि मैं medical करूँगी. But when I was done with the A levels, it was average grades. Okay, they were not so good. So my father decided that I should just give MDCAT for a try. So I said okay. I tried. I joined KIPS Academy and a lot of other. That was not a good result. I wasn't disappointed. I was always against a gap year because I don't think it's a good idea if you are not willing. So my father convinced me that no, it's for the betterment of my future. I should just give a gap year and improve my score and then get into a good medical college. And looking all the benefits I will have and the personality growth, I decided to take a gap year. बहुत ही कड़वा घूम था, but for the betterment of my future, I decided. Okay, after that, in the gap year, Corona thing happened and the pattern of MDCAT changed. Private medical colleges में interview आ गए and the whole situation changed up. Okay, so that was very new to me. And I was like, okay, I'm giving it second time and new things are coming. That would be more difficult for me. But anyhow, I take the academic classes. I joined STEPS first of all. I wasn't satisfied with my preparation. Then I joined KIPS. It got delayed. 5 times. MDCAT got delayed 5 times. I was really under the pressure of performing good. That was the difficult time of my life. Okay, so after that, I thought I should skip. Okay, so I haven't applied. Don't do this. If you're in A levels, do apply to other universities so that you have a second chance. I didn't apply, तो मेरे पास कोई second chance नहीं था. सिर्फ ये था कि gap year. Okay, so that was my thing कि मुझे gap year क्यों लेना पड़ा, ठीक है? Okay, so in the gap year, I applied to FC, I applied to Quaid-e-Azam in different other cities. I always wanted to go to Karachi because I am so overly obsessed with Karachi vibes and with the people. They are so career oriented, they are so super active and I really like being active all the time. So I did my preparation from KIPS. Okay, that was my institution that primarily was for the MDCAT and other online near peer was there and other YouTube videos. I started my preparation from the KIPS. It was good. I was having very good time, but besides that, I was having my worst time there because it was very difficult for me to adjust in that environment, in that constant pressure and constant good grades and constant highest marks लाने हैं, class work assessment बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Okay guys, so finally the day came. I was having my paper on 29th November 2020. So बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी करके पेपर दे दिया. It went good, but वही पाकिस्तानी वाला हाल. 21 MCQs were out of syllabus and that was a real shock to me that I was giving it second time and now these things are happening. So that was very hurtful to me. But anyhow, spirits were high. I scored well, but not that well that I get into King Edward or like a good college. So उस टाइम तक प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस का बिल्कुल ही सीन अलग हो गया था. आई वॉज़ वेरी न्यू. मैंने एक और मिस्टेक की थी. मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर में बिल्कुल भी ना अप्लाई किया था और ना ही सीखा था कि अप्लाई किस तरह करते हैं. सो गाइज प्लीज़ डू, इफ़ यू आर ऑन गैप ईयर, लर्न हाउ टू अप्लाई, लर्न विच कॉलेजेस इज़ हैविंग good teaching hospitals, so you will be experienced, not like me. I was so naive. So like after the result I started applying. I was alone when I was applying. मेरा communication gap था, मैंने नहीं किसी से help ली. That's why I think that's the bad factor. Okay, so after that I applied only to those जिसमें मैं जाना चाहती थी. आई हैवेंट अप्लाइड कि अगर नहीं आया नाम तो फिर कहीं और तो होना चाहिए, बट मैंने थोड़े बहुत में कर दिया अप्लाई. उसके बाद then like there was 20% was for the interview. I wasn't like, none of us aware कि interview कैसा होगा, like interview में क्या होगा. I was very like, they will get to know about my other extracurricular activities and how talented and multi-talented I am. But when I finally reached there, the interview was all about finance, all about my financial status. I really got so disappointed, but these are the Pakistani things that happen here. Finally, I was unsure that I got two options, one for the Islamabad and one for the Lahore, and I got selected. And then I'm a first year medical student at CMC. I'm really proud of myself that I just gone through a lot of things, and I really got a good place after all. So सारी मेहनत काम आई. So I'm really happy now at whatever position I am. So this is all about me. This is all about the journey to medical school. It was really hard, but it was worth it. And if you guys have any question regarding that, I am really welcome to answer your query. Okay guys, so that was all for this 11th video, and I really enjoyed filming this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed and enjoyed my whole story. And if you like, please do like and drop a comment. It will mean a lot to me, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Okay, let's go to the background. Okay, so I have told my name. I did a little intro. अच्छा, उसके बाद क्या करना था? हाँ, I really okay, so मैं कहाँ थी?